It is, or it isn't? Good morning. songs, when I pick them, I just pick them. And for the way the snow is melting today, and the words on that song, the earth shall soon dissolve like snow. I mean, that song's been around for eons. And then for Valentine's Day, you will forever be mine. I mean, that's like a Valentine to God.
You guys got to see my wife as I tell her this. I drove down a street in Mansfield going to pick up Mike and Brandon that I've never been on before. My wife makes this dish, and you can check in on how you feel. It's called hamloaf. And it's her son's favorite. It's her son's favorite. I think it's Rebecca's favorite. I can't stand it.
It's great.
So I went
I
by,
love
and there is a restaurant in Mansfield that's called the Hamloaf Inn with a great big sign. They went out of business.
Oh.
No surprise there. But anyway, there is. I wanted you to see that. I want you to take a picture of that someday to show your boys.
That's very depressing.
The
Hamloaf.
The Hamloaf Inn, and it went under.
Anybody had hamloaf out there?
Mike said he used to eat there all the time. He said they bring you a piece of hamloaf, I beg. Well, I thought, well, yeah, sure, you can't give the stuff away. Somebody comes in and orders it.
Yeah. Now, you tell me how many times you've tried it.
Hamloaf?
Yes.
I didn't have to try it. I just seen it. I didn't need to try
So you don't know that it's not good.
It just looks. It looks like ham jello.
It does not look like ham jello. It doesn't even taste like ham, because I don't really like ham.
But I do love you very much.
I believe you. All right. If you guys have not had ham loaf, find a recipe. My recipe calls for, it was an old church recipe from Brandon Baptist Church, and I think it was a Springer recipe. Oh, Agnes Springer, maybe? I don't know. I gotta go check out my old cookbook from Brandon. But the filling, you know, like the breadcrumb stuff, is graham crackers. So it's sweet. It's a sweet meat. So you do graham crackers, and then the top, I mean, if you were lazy, you could just do Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on top, but I make my own barbecue sauce. And then I think Agnes Springer's recipe, if that's who it was. Yes, I'm giving the recipe. Shush! Go away. Her recipe for the sauce, it was tomato soup and I like brown sugar and mustard and Worcestershire sauce, and then you cook that. And what's that white stuff? That thickening stuff. What's that stuff called? Oh,
not the Worcestershire.
No, it's a powder.
Not the chili.
No, y'all know what I'm talking about. It's the thickening stuff.
Not garlic.
Not cream. Not cream of tartar. Not flour. I don't know, but it gets all over if you get it all. Anyway, so try ham loaf. All right, have a good day.